Breaking news. Nigerian government breaks silence on 878 million US dollars ammunition deal blocked by US lawmakers. Hello, my wonderful people. The matter don't tie wrapper. Less than 48 hours ago, we brought you up to speed that US lawmakers may not sell arms to Nigeria again say because they fear Nigerian government. Nigerian government not they take care of the people, they use the arms till they give other people. So they say they don't give Nigeria government again. Anyway, our very own brother don dey talk for the matter. The person of our very own brother, they call am the Minister of Culture. Na Lai Mohammed they call am Lai Mohammed. This very guy don't respond to say why US lawmakers, say he get everything to talk. Now, minister for answer to the question. Okay, so 78 million, as much as the money is, US said, you know what, we value, fundamental human rights. Nigeria is breaking all the rules. Be like say they talk that time, say be like say Trump not where the man be like say he crazy small, but guess what? The guy not the line. That's how it was say Nigeria, sorry, call am one name so that na shit who. The guy not dey lie that time. They think and way. Don't look am, don't survey and say no, 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 no. Something is wrong in that place. Now, Lale Mohammed won't talk for the matter. But may not forget to give us a thumbs up. May you like us and may you still share, subscribe. We appreciate you. God bless you. Bye for now. Say bye. Oh yeah, the details. The Nigerian government on Friday said it was not aware of any 875 million ammunition deal with the US, which is being purposely blocked by some lawmakers in that country. The Minister of Information and Culture, Halaji Lai Mohammed, described the proposed ammunition deal reported in some section of the media as fake. Speaking with the news agency of Nigeria, NAN, on Friday in Abuja, the minister said there was no contract of such nature and some between Nigeria and the US. So the US is lying. That's what I'm getting at. Let's continue. There is no contract of arms between the federal government of Nigeria and the United States of America today, apart from the 12 Super Tactical Attack helicopter, of which 6 has been delivered. We are quite satisfied with the progress and cooperation that we have received from the government of the United States on this issue. As a minister, the fact of the 6 technical helicopter will be launched in August the 3rd this year. We are not aware of the so-called 875 million US dollar arm contract and some helicopters, which they said some lawmakers in the US are trying to prevent the president of the US to honor. The relationship between Nigeria and the US is smooth and waxing stronger, he has said. The report in some sections, we don't know about it. We have no clue what is going on. The report lists the blocked proposed sale of to include 12 AH-1 Cobra attack helicopter accompanied by Defense System, 28 helicopter engines produced by GE Aviation, and 12 military guards aircraft navigation system made by Honeycomb. So I won't understand what they talk for you. What did they talk for you? Because like Mohammed said, no concern. He said about year and once. He said a strange thing right now the year. So say US and Nigeria get one matter. He said about year and once. Say it be like strange phenomenon. But I want to make it categorically clear. Do you mean the US is lying? Because somebody somewhere is lying. If you see what I mean. This is not, you don't just sit down one morning, wake up and say, blah, blah, blah. If you get what I mean. So who exactly is lying? How did we come here? Why you say, I don't get it. I don't get it. He said they are not aware. So that means there is something. And guess what? This news is from the US that they are blocking arms sales to Nigeria, including a proposed $875 million arms that Nigerian government has requested for. That means they don't even know how much is in the treasury, what goes out, what comes in, who requests for what, and for what purpose is being requested for. Do you see what I mean? Disjointed, there is no audit, nobody go ahead to ascertain who uses what and how it was used, as at when, and if everything was done decently and in order. There is no records, there is no record. So things are done anyhow. Hence, nobody knows anything. This is the Minister of Culture, next Mr. President himself, Lai Mohammed. He said, no consign. These are US lawmakers that said, well, they should prevent any sales of any such thing to Nigeria as at the moment, as they are not happy with the Nigerian government on their lawlessness on fundamental human rights. That's the statement the US sent to Nigeria. Nigeria government said, no consign the matter. Said, never hear and once. So who they lie? Say Lai Mohammed, if he talk anything just to save face, so now. This country, how they talk, how they do. So somebody somewhere, they give us coke and bull stories. I be the US said they don't know who send money to them or who proposed a sale. At least somebody go don't raise the invoice. All those things now. It doesn't just happen in a day. There is what we call due process as to how these things should go. It doesn't just you don't wake up one morning and there is arms on your table. No, you request for it. There is a procurement officer. There is a process it must follow. So how did we get here? Lai Mohammed say no consign. No. Nigeria na the hear the matter so. Not be small money we dey talk about. This money needs to near our account. So I be on the looker. Lai Mohammed say no. He said this one they talk so be like fin for AI. So never hear and once. Nigeria, my country. You see why people come over this country don't like to come back? Because even organization is out. Do you know organization is actually a skill? Organization, to just organize things, ensure that things are done properly, follow all the rudiments, ensure that what is supposed to come next comes, who is supposed to be the next. Things are done decently and in order. Do you know it's a skill? Not they jump for person head. Now orderliness, na skill. They say they don't know. So you go surprise one day say one person go talk one time, they not going to talk that one, sha. And I mean Odara. Very soon now, what do they call her? Former minister, what's it called now? Chief of Defense will come say the one for Benin, where they become a ambassador. Go come say na me Odara. She want to shop money that day. Na me Odara. Where you take get the money? Who release the funds? Nobody know. Now so it just bill. Now any are spending, Who is the FCC cash? It don't match line, Me say the offense or powers that be, they won't deal with them. All of them know what they do. Leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. We sincerely appreciate you. God bless you. Do have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now.